This is the first step of writing the code for the classroom voting application. In this tutorial, we shall add a model class to hold voting data. We shall also add a project context for EF core connectivity. And finally, we shall add migrations and then apply them also. And lastly, we shall then verify that the database actually gets created. There are two prerequisites that you must be aware of because I shall assume that you are already familiar with C#. For this, you can refer the list of my courses and locate the course on C#. I have only one course on C#. And secondly, you must also go through the chapter on Entity Framework Core for console applications. It will help you understand the whole chapter, the whole tutorial better. First of all, create a basic C#.NET Core console project that targets the latest version of C# 11 or later, and also the latest available version of .NET Core. I have attached the source code of this project to the downloads. The project is completed till the progress made in this tutorial so that you are not overburdened with what I give you. You can just see the relevant part, the project completed so far. Open the program.cs file and print a hello world message. And run this project to verify that it compiles and outputs the message. And this means that everything is right so far. Next, add a folder called models and then add a class called vote so that we can see a vote.cs file in the Solution Explorer. Open the Package Manager console and add two NuGet packages. We have decided to use SQLite because of portability and ease of use, and allow the NuGet downloads to complete till success. We expect you already know about NuGet packages and also about applying them. And let us now complete the vote.cs file. First, add a record class called vote. We have marked it with an attribute called table so that a table called vote is created in the database. This wasn't really necessary because it will in any case create a table of this name, but we have done it for tutorial purposes. And similarly, we have added a primary key for student ID. The string choice property holds the choice selected by a student, such as A, B, C, D, E or anything similar, whatever is selected. A DB context is added to model the database, and for this we have added a project context class. The records are represented by a DB set of votes. The path to the database can be stored in the DB path property. The project context constructor sets the path to the current working directory where we shall create the file in the same directory where the executable will be compiled. It is just a matter of convenience. We could have set it to any convenient path. The onConfiguring override sets the connection string to the SQLite database, and we can set other options. I didn't need any, so I have just supplied the connection string. And next, let us add migrations. Open the package manager command prompt and type the command called add migration initial create. Initial underscore create. This is the name of the migration command. This is the name of the migration. The name of the command is add-migration. Hit enter and allow it to complete. If everything goes right, a folder called migrations will appear in the Solution Explorer. This means that the migration was created successfully and everything is fine so far. And again come to the package manager console and type the command update-database to apply the migrations. Hit enter and again allow it to complete. You should now be able to see the database file in the output directory. This file is in the same folder where the executable has been created. So this completes the first step. And now you can download the source code completed till this stage and examine to ensure that you understand the code so far. Thank you. Or you can try to write it also, whichever is easier. Thank you.